Hello kids, let's find some alphabet. Here you can see we have so many alphabet. So now let's start. Let's find the first one. This is A. Now find the second one. Second letter is B. Where is B? This is B. Keep it here and then find the third one. Where is C? C, C. C. Now find D. Where is D? D. Can you see? This is D. Now find for E. Here you can see it's E. Now next one is F. Where is F? F, F, F. Can you see F? Where is F? I can't see. Can you see? Here is F. F. Now find out G. This is G. Ace. Next one is I. This is I. Keep it here. I. No. I will be will be the main I because it is capital letter and maybe it's L for small letter. Now find for J. J. Where is J? J. 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 Keep it here. Now find for K. K. No. This is K. K. L. No. M. N. O. P. You can see it's Q. Where is R? Can you see where is R? I can't see. Where is R? R. This is R. W. X. No, no. X. Y. Z. That's for today. See you in the next video. If you want to see this kind of video, please do subscribe. Bye.